Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Today's video is about changing the uppercase and lowercase of letters. A couple of different ways. One, you can always grab the text tool and click on that letter and then retype it as a capital C and it'll change it. The other way to do it that's convenient if you've got multiple words to do that to is to use your shape tool and the shift key. And if you'll click on that letter, hold down the shift key and click on that letter, and then you can actually go to text, change case, and change them to uppercase and say, okay, it'll change those letters. Couple of ways to edit text. There's probably more than two ways. You could highlight a letter and change it like we did before. You can highlight a letter or a group of letters and remove them. So you can do that with the text tool. You can also do it with the shape tool that, maybe is not that big a deal, but you could engulf all these three nodes and hit delete. Well, maybe that doesn't work. So maybe that doesn't work. But while they're highlighted, you could make that word red. You could make that, when you get the shape tool, you have some other tools up here, but you could make that word bold. And then the other way to do it is the way I most of the time would do it. I would click on my text and go right here to this ABC and edit text. And you can do anything you want. You can add to it. You can do anything in the text mode here. You could take out the word edit just by deleting it. And then don't forget to say okay, and then it'll do that. So there's more than one way to do it, but if I was just going to do one word in red, I would just highlight it and turn it red. And also when you do that, you'll see that this particular text might have some different type fonts that you could change it to. That's all caps, but it's also different, that maybe go in and change them to all cap. And you can just take this right here and just click on it and go to the text tool and change the case and make them all uppercase. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.